What is bookings? Welcome to M365 Professional. Whether you're scheduling customers or patients, you need a way to track, organize, and manage your team's appointments and calendars. With Bookings and Microsoft Teams, create and manage in-person and virtual visits all in one place. In Teams, view your staff's availability in a calendar view and set up different appointment types. Add a title and a confirmation message that customers and patients see when they've booked an appointment. Allow attendees to join from a mobile browser. Send them a text message about the booking, and add an email reminder for your staff and attendees. To schedule a new visit, select New Booking, and then select a booking type. Choose to make it an in-person meeting or a Teams one. Details added to your appointment. Type like a confirmation message or a text message. Reminder, get automatically pulled in. You can even add specific notes as needed. Attendees receive a confirmation email or text message with a link to join if it's a virtual appointment. When it's time, attendees can join by phone or desktop. Turn on your audio and your video to create a more personal connection during your visit. Keep your staff and attendees on time and organized with Bookings and Teams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.